Hi and welcome back. A legal topic today, and that is about supply chain agreements and a couple of considerations in that regard. And one of the considerations that we wanted to talk about today is the governing law. So, your organization may have a number of supply chain agreements, which means agreements across your whole supply chains, and that means that these agreements will cover a number of jurisdictions, a number of countries, in other words. And one of the key things here is to identify the governing law which will apply as part of your agreement. And the truth of the matter is that you can actually apply any law of any country as part of governing law of your agreements. But the thing is, you need to apply the law which will not only work, but also has certain approach as to how to treat such agreements. And for example, in other words, a developed system of law. And for example, English law in this regard is considered as quite developed because it has a lot of principles, sub-principles and regulations governing all these things concerning supply chain agreements and all these risks and issues that may arise. So you may consider, for example, governing law, the English law, or some other jurisdictions' laws, but it is essential for you to identify which law applies as part of your supply chain agreements, and obviously dispute resolution mechanism. And in one of our next episodes, we will talk about dispute resolution mechanism and what is meant by that. But in your supply chain agreements, governing law is very important, and make sure that you find and apply the one that really helps. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let us know if we can help you.